Thailand.
Yay!
We made it. So first and foremost, the good news is, hey, we got married.
Yeah, we did.
So we're officially on the honeymoon, and we decided to come to Thailand, and we're staying at this amazing place called Sentara Grand Beach Resort, Phuket, and it is fucking gorgeous. I mean, look at this culture. It is just a beautiful culture right out the gate, and this is day one. So we're gonna do. So we're just gonna go see sightseeing, check out the Phuket area. Yeah, just have a good time. Yeah, room's up there. And yeah, we're gonna call a cab. And we can't find a tuk-tuk. And I don't know, just go check it out.
Go explore.
Yeah, Phuket was good.
Go have an adventure.
Audacious, we're good. Buddha Phuket. I love the simplicity in the naming of it. It's like well, it's a Buddha. And it's big. We're just gonna call it the Big Buddha. It's just huge. It's just surreal of how large it is. Man, is it gorgeous. To see it in person is just something else. It really is. Days you can't do stairs.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've done stairs.
I'm tired. This is only going up. Okay, but we're here.
Made it.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
Right? Big Buddha, that was awesome.
Yeah, very awesome.
I'm not a religious person, definitely a spiritual person.
Yeah.
And that was just like a happy spiritual experience. I didn't feel like, I don't know, nothing chills or something took over me. No, it was just beauty that you can appreciate.
Oh yeah. And when we were in the temple, it was just so peaceful. Just sitting there, not doing anything, you know, cross legs, hands in your lap, just peaceful.
Yes. So if you're wondering what's inside the Big Buddha, There's still construction from what we saw. We didn't want to film because I think that's rude.
Yeah.
But inside, there was just a space for meditation. A lot of the Buddhist statues. So clearly we had to take the opportunity to take off our shoes and go meditate for a second inside the big Buddha.
Yeah.
And again, nothing super crazy like, oh, something come over me. No, but just peaceful, tranquil, very serene, quiet, where you can just take in the fact that you're just somewhere beautiful and appreciate that beauty. And it was awesome.
It really was.
Yeah. I'm really glad we came here. I wasn't really sure what to expect. I was like, oh, like you're gonna get there and it's just gonna be like a big Buddha statue,
Yeah.
and that's kind of it. Nah, not even close. It was so much more than that. Thailand off to a good start. We're doing great.
Yeah.
On to the next. Had to put it back. You hussy.
My bad.
Now let's get out of here.
Yes.
Better?
Yes.
Still being all indecent?
Yeah.
Nice.
But I bought one.
Alright, we're good.
They are comfy, but it's hot. Such a fashionista, you have no idea.
It is just gorgeous. The funny thing is, we took our shoes off to be respectful, but I feel like because I took my shoes off, I'm being disrespectful because I'm acting like this place is my home, and it's not. So it feels weird. Would it be weird if I ran across right now because it's marble floors and I'm in my socks and I just slide across and pull the Tom Cruise? Would that be?
It's a little hot. No, running to the next one. Well, if you didn't run, I ran.
Well, I'm talking about running.
And then sliding?
Running and then sliding across.
Huh. If you're gonna let me
No.
let me catch
Disrespectful.
it now.
Can't do it. Can't do it. Disrespectful. If you're gonna get your sightseeing done, do it in the morning. It is currently just after 1:30, and it is toasty.
Very.